Crew, Bryony Sanders back at you today. I've got to do 500 mustard colour tote bags front and back for a client. Absolutely mad, last minute. It's over 10 hours of constant printing for me because I'm using a manual press. Absolute madness. So I'm about to just get the screens burnt, get this done and get cracking, man. I'm just setting up the films now, guys, and as you can see, I've got in the kind of dark area, got my emulsions set on my screens, and I've got my films done these on my Epson printer I have upstairs, like a really wide format one that does nice opaque blacks. And just going to line up my screens, make sure that they're center. And for tote bags, I've got to put it, because I've got Hopkins set up, I've got to put the actual logo in the middle of the screen, basically. That's how it kind of works. So I would say about there is good. Okay, so the exposure time now is like 3 minutes. So I've got my little Amazon timer, which has a really shit beep on it, by the way. And just going to take this around with me while I get on with other bits and pieces. So guys, it's 8 PM. I'm still going with these tote bags here. As you can see, side 2 is now on its way. I've done most of the side ones. I've got quite a lot to go. I've got the rest of these to finish, and then I've got another 200 just to wrap things up. Me and Tash are working late here till all hours. It's madness, madness, madness. But this is all in the day of a life of a printer. This is what we go through, you know what I mean? We're on a manual carousel. This thing goes around and you move it manually. This is what we do. And we just stay here and we print. That's how we keep on top of the deadlines, because we got in control. We don't outsource. We keep everything done in-house. Right, so on again. Right guys, that's it for today. It is now 12:30 midnight. We've just finished the job. 500 tote bags, screen printed, front and back, to be collected tomorrow morning. We've literally had 24 hours to get this job done, and it is done. Good news as well, guys, on my DTG printer, Resolute, Colin, thanks to you, mate. He called me today and he said Resolute were gonna arrange for, even though Rico haven't got back to him yet about their decision as to help me out, Resolute are gonna sort me out with a new screen. So guys, it's all about what company you go with when you're buying your flipping DTGs, man. Support is everything, you know what I mean? And Resolute have been there for me all the way through with support, helping me out when I've got issues. And even though Rico are not giving me the part yet for free, Resolute has still stepped in and they're saying, look, we don't want you to be down for this period of time, so we're going to step in and we're going to help you out. So thanks to you, Colin. Big up the Resolute team once again for A-class support. If you're going to buy what Rico, get it from Resolute. Don't get it from anywhere else, just get it from Resolute, because that is the place to get your Rico from, because you're always going to get the 24/7, not 24 hours a day, but you're going to get the support that you need, which is key when you're buying these sort of machines. You always need support. So don't get a second-hand one, because when it goes wrong, who are you going to call? You're going to call not the person who sold it to you. So you need to get one that's from a reputable supplier. So bless. Thank you guys. Catch you later.